to stake and delegate your ADA with Coin Ceylon using Daedalus. Delegation. How to delegate to Coin Ceylon. Lanka Pool. Number 1. Find Coin Ceylon Lanka Pool. Click on the icon. Select Stake Pool. Search for ticker Lanka. Number 2. Select the Lanka Pool. Select the Coin Ceylon Lanka pool you would like to delegate to and click Delegate to this pool. Number 3. Popup Message. Then a pop-up will show up. Read the message and click Continue. Number 4. Select Wallet. Select your preferred wallet and then click Continue. Number 5. Selected Stake Pool. A message will pop up regarding the stake pool you have chosen. After that, click Continue. Number 6. Enter spending password. Enter the spending password of your wallet and click Confirm. Note, there will be a very small fee that will be taken when you delegate your funds. Number 7. Delegation completed. A final pop-up message will show up upon delegation. For more information, visit www.coinceylon.com.